if there's one thing I've mastered, it's definitely the slick back bun. So no more gatekeeping, I'm gonna share with you my secret on taming frizz and flyaways. It all starts with my wax stick from Curlr. So I like to do a slick back when I don't want to wash my hair, but my hair is too greasy to wear down. First, you're just gonna want to bunch your hair into the position where you want your bun. Alright, I want my bun here, so I'm gonna give it a tie. I struggle with these pieces a lot, around my ears, around the front of my hairline. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Curlr stick and you actually just push the bottom up. I'm gonna use the wax stick on this side and show you guys the magic. I'm gonna go ahead and complete it on this side and then take you guys to the next step. Once you've tamed everything away, what I like to do, I like to take my brush and brush it through so I can really get a smooth finish. My flyaways are completely gone. My hair looks so smooth, so slick back. I struggled with slick backs for quite a while because I wasn't using the right products or any products at all, really. The Curlr Wax Stick has been an absolute blessing and it's not thick or creates build-up at all. Hard to tell I even have any product in it, but it leaves an amazing smell in your hair. If you struggle with flyaways and are chasing that perfect slick back bun for 2024, Curlr is the way to go.